We are going to see the importance of tedious addition or subtraction of matrices in computer world. We'll also see the graph translation using these operations on matrices. Finally, we will add two matrices using Python programming language. Matrix addition or subtraction used in various dimensions. For example, in data analysis, matrix addition summarizes large data sets and calculate the statistical measures like mean, variance, and standard deviation. In cryptography, we add matrix of plain text messages and secret matrix to produce ciphertext matrix. We can add two sine wave matrix in signal processing to increase the amplitude. In image processing, to blend two images, we add their matrices and calculate the average of their resulting values. Other applications are data pre-processing, linear regression, robotics, quantum computing, computer graphics, principal component analysis, convolutional neural networks, and many more. Before going towards graph transformation, let's recall some elementary concepts within seconds. In matrices, the horizontal arrangements of the number is called rows, while the vertical arrangements of the number has been called columns. The number of rows by column is called order of the matrix or dimension of matrix. Here A sub 2 3 is an arbitrary entry of second row and third column of the matrix. Similarly, the element in first row and first column can be represented by A sub 1 1. This matrix represents the triangle in quadrant plane. So row 1 is this and row 2 is this. Similarly, column 1, column 2 and column 3. The first row represents the x quadrant and second row represents the y quadrant. Therefore, three columns are actually 3 points in quadrant plane. First point is 1, 0. Second point is 1, 2. And the third one is 3, 1. By plotting these points in quadrant plane, we got this triangle. So we want to shift this triangle 2 units left and 1 unit up. So if we add -2 to every x quadrant, or you can say in first row, it's going to shift 2 units left, and if we add +1 to the second row, it's going to shift up 1 unit. So we can perform this transformation by addition of matrices. We can add a matrix having entries -2 in first row and +1 in second row to transform the shape 2 units left and 1 unit up. So we will add corresponding elements 1 plus -2, 1 plus -2, 1 plus -2. Similarly, 0 plus 1, 2 plus 1 and 1 plus 1. So the resulting matrix is -1, -1, 1 in first row and 1, 3, 2 in second row. As the first row represents x quadrant and second row represents the y quadrant, we got the point -1, 1. Second point is -1, 3, and the third one is 1, 2. By plotting these points, we got this red translated triangle. So now we will add matrices using Python programming language. Let's see. Here I am using Jupyter Notebook. You can search about it. So to perform operations on matrices, we first need to import SymPy library. You can also use NumPy library. So the syntax is import SymPy. We can name for short to call this like SymPy as SP. Let's say we have a matrix B. So B is equal to SP dot matrix parenthesis square bracket for matrix symbol. Now we will add another square bracket inside for first row having entries 2, 3, 4. So square bracket with entries 2, 3, 4. So we have first row. To add the second row, put a comma and then a square bracket for the second row, and put the entries like 3 comma 5 comma 7. So let's see what we have done. Run this code and we get a matrix B in traditional representation. Similarly, we can write matrix C. Copy the above syntax and modify. So here is the C matrix. Now let's add them. Write B plus C and then run the program. Here we go. This is the resulting B plus C matrix.